Get ready to be blown away. From a robot that turns your coffee mug into a canvas by drawing directly in your drink, to innovative shoes that help you walk faster while minimizing foot and shin pain, here are some mind-blowing tech inventions you never knew existed. Pool heating system. Introducing an affordable and practical way to enhance your swimming experience for just $129. This innovative pool heating system, perfect for pools up to 354 cubic feet, can raise the water temperature by an impressive 9 to 27 degrees Fahrenheit. If you need more warmth, simply install multiple heaters based on the weather conditions. For optimal efficiency, ensure the heater receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day at the ideal angle. Assembly is a breeze with included hoses and couplings, and the entire system weighs only about 18 pounds. Enjoy a comfortably warm pool all season long with this convenient and effective heating solution. Are you amazed by this exhilarating lineup of awe-inspiring innovations? Stay tuned as we unveil more mind-blowing tech inventions that will leave you in shock. New shoe concept. Get ready to step into the future with an exciting shoe concept straight from a designer in Singapore. As commuting patterns evolve and more people opt for walking over crowded public transportation, the demand for shoes that offer faster and more comfortable walks is on the rise. This innovative concept merges creative design with a pneumatic system to craft shoes that enhance stride length. By donning these revolutionary kicks, you can increase your walking distance by approximately 10% compared to conventional shoes, all while minimizing the risk of foot and shin pain. While the prospect of these groundbreaking shoes hitting the market is uncertain for now, the potential they hold is nothing short of extraordinary. MVISION 2. At CES 2023, Hyundai Mobis wowed the crowd with their mind-blowing transportation concepts. Picture this: the MVISION 2, an autonomous shuttle with giant glass panels displaying all the info you need while you ride. It's got cool stuff like augmented reality radars and electric wheels that can turn 90 degrees. Then there's the Envision High. Think of it as the ultimate shuttle upgrade. It's got super comfy seats, windows with built-in screens, and you can even watch movies and shop online without stepping out. These concepts are beyond cool, though some worry about their durability, judging by their sleek looks on the website. Charging electric cars. Get ready for an electrifying update on charging electric cars. Swedish authorities have allocated nearly $8 million for a test section, marking a significant step in the EU's mission to phase out internal combustion engine vehicles by 2035. This initiative reflects a global push toward electric car adoption, with many countries incentivizing the switch. What sets this charging road apart is its adaptability. It can juice up various vehicles, from cars to buses and trucks. Here's how it works. Special rails are embedded in the road, with corresponding receivers fitted onto vehicles. Connected to the internet, the system enables online payments and offers valuable insights, like real-time road conditions and accident records. It's a game changer in sustainable transportation. BMW's latest concept car. Be blown away by BMW's latest concept car, offering a sneak peek into their thrilling future plans. Rumors suggest we might see a similar ride hit the streets by 2025, showcasing BMW's cutting-edge direction. Imagine a car that's part Tesla Cybertruck, part Hot Wheels. It's like stepping into the coolest toy come to life. While they're keeping some details hush-hush, BMW teases us with promises of mind-blowing features. Think of a super smart digital assistant, a futuristic windshield display, and awesome augmented reality options right in your car. And get this, they're even playing around with tech that lets you change the car's color like magic. Plus, who could forget the Terminator cameo in their epic promo video? BMW's mix of innovation and fun is pure excitement. Get ready for a ride that'll leave you speechless. Get ready for an electrifying journey as we unveil not one, but two more mind-blowing innovations that are sure to leave you completely spellbound. Advanced Kids Wear. Meet the ultimate in children's clothing innovation. Say hello to the world's most advanced kids wear, designed to adapt and grow with your little one from 9 months to 4 years old. This groundbreaking creation not only saves families a bundle, but also ensures maximum comfort for your mini fashionistas. Simply stretch the clothes gently as your child grows, and voila, they fit like a charm again. The genius designers have crafted a set that encompasses 7 sizes in one, using materials inspired by the aerospace industry. That means these garments are lightweight, water-resistant, and oh so breathable. Plus, washing them at 30 degrees is a breeze, and they dry lickety-split without needing any ironing. For just $191, you'll get a set including a sweater and a pair of pants. Finally, we understand how cartoon characters manage to rock the same outfit day after day. It's all in the innovation. LATTE art by hand. Prepare to be amazed, coffee lovers. While we've long admired the skill of baristas creating mesmerizing latte art by hand, a groundbreaking innovation from Japan is about to take your coffee experience to a whole new level. Introducing a remarkable robot that turns beverages into artistic masterpieces. This cutting-edge technology, the first of its kind, allows the robot to draw directly inside your filled cups, glasses, and other containers. With its precise arm and syringe system, it can craft letters, illustrations, and even 3D designs that remain intact even as you move the cup. And here's the best part. These edible and recyclable artworks can be personalized. Simply use the user-friendly app to upload your own designs, making it perfect for events and parties. Get ready to witness the mesmerizing fusion of technology and coffee as this extraordinary robot brings a touch of artistry to your daily brew. Hold on to your hats, folks, because the excitement is far from over.